Bienvenue à la chute d'Ekom Nkam.
Welcome to the Ekom Nkam Waterfalls.
Welcome to Ekom Nkam Waterfalls. Attends, je reprends. Welcome to Ekom Nkam Waterfalls. Ekom Nkam Waterfalls are mesmerizing twin waterfalls that can be found in the middle of the jungle forest. They are located in the northern part of the Mongo department within the littoral region.
Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on today's episode guys, I'm bringing you to the magnificent waterfalls of Ekom Nkam. Would you love to explore this with me? You know I'm taking you everywhere, every time, every step of the way. So come, let's go explore the wonderful shoots of Ekom Nkam together. Alright guys, so I'm here with the guide of Ekom Nkam, Vitomo site touristic du Mongo. I booked for this activity through yengafrica.com. Yengafrica.com is a platform that consolidates various touristic activities around all over Cameroon, and you can book whatever activities you want, from hiking to racing to golfing to anything you want. So through Yengafrica, I got to meet Vitomo. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Ok, Vitomo, c'est une société qui fait dans la promotion du tourisme au Cameroun, plus précisément dans le Mongo. Et là, pour ce premier circuit, nous allons découvrir la chute d'Ekom Nkam. C'est une chute qui a abrité la réalisation du film Tarzan en 1985. Et nous avons beaucoup d'attractivités qui entretient les visiteurs pendant un bon bout de temps lors de la visite.
C'est encore un honneur parce que je suis accompagné de belles personnes. Je suis avec le grand Chi. Voilà, qui est un génie aussi.
Guys, so I hope it's beautiful, I hope it's magnificent as they say it is, because this is one of the wonders of Africa. Premier aller-retour. Wow. Right guys, so let's go discover the magnificent chute d'Ekom Nkam. So this is our mode of transportation, yeah? If you're comfortable enough, you can come here with your SUV. But I don't want all those expenditures. I'm doing it the local way, which is the real experience. Let's go.
With height of about 80 meters above the surrounding, this imposing yet captivating natural masterpiece is something to be seen in person.
When you're coming here, yeah, be prepared for the dust, because the road is very dusty, and I'm sure during rainy season it's going to be very muddy, so be prepared. So before getting to our destination, my guide, he introduced me to this beautiful greenery, and guys, the view here is mad, as in mad though. Check this out. So guys, we are at the top end of the chute d'Ekom Nkam. It's like Georges de Cola, but this one is, I don't know if you know Georges de Cola of Garua. If you know Georges de Cola, comment down below. So I don't want to consume this by myself. Check it out for yourself guys. Let's go.
Où nous sommes actuellement, c'est là où vous scelle la chute femelle. Et comme je disais tantôt, la chute femelle, elle chute d'une hauteur de 80 mètres. Donc tout juste derrière nous, c'est une fosse de 80 mètres Et vous voyez, elle est spectaculaire, magnifique.
So what you are telling me right now is where we are standing on, like this. During the rainy season, this place is filled with water, like this is the female waterfall.
Oui, effectivement, en saison pluvieuse, c'est complètement couvert de l'eau.
Oh, wow.
Et c'est là où la chute femelle vient se jeter pour se rejoindre en bas à la belle plateforme. Parce qu'en bas là, elle chute sur des pierres.
Okay.
Et c'est ça qui permet de projeter la vapeur d'eau, qui permet d'avoir un très bon bain d'eau afin de se sentir plus à l'aise.
Guys, where we are right now, this is the female waterfall. 80 meters drop down behind us. That is like the biggest waterfall in Cameroon. Guys, you need to book this activity. You need to visit the waterfalls of Ekom Nkam. Alright guys, so like you saw, we were at the summit of the waterfall, and right now we'll be leaving you guys with the view from in front of the waterfalls. Guys, this is going to be spectacular, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Do not forget to book for your trip right here at the shoot of Ekom Nkam for a unique experience, rainy season or dry season. So this right here, this is known as L'arbre de Tarzan, the tree of Tarzan, where the movie Tarzan was shot in 1980. So now Tarzan is stick this, we use a fly. Guys, you can't buy this. You read about this in school, and it's a very important piece of information, and you should experience this to harness yourself and immerse yourself in the activity. So guys, we have seen the L'arbre de Tarzan together. This is what brought me here. Honestly, I needed to say this, and now I have seen it. I'm done. Like, my trip here is done. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will leave you guys with the views from the front of the shoot before we are at the summit. Right now, I'll leave you guys with the views from in front. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy Chimex, and you know what time it is. I am out. Peace.